All right, this is Liberty inventory number 50470. It's an extrude hone, 10-8 Spectrum, abrasive flow machine, polishing, honing, and deburring. Serial number 9005050. It's equipped with a turntable and a media chiller not shown.
Okay, there it is. Let's take a walk through it. Like you said, it does have the turntable up here. If you want to just show the tooling I'm using right now, just so we can create some back pressure so it registers cubic inches. 3-position turntable, tooling, and we don't have another tool up there, but you could have it. And then there's a center position over there for whatever you're going to use it for. So this basically goes 180 though. And that all happens off the control panel here. I'll do it once I fire up the oil. And right, you've got the T-cap, the Allen Bradley T-cap, which does two things basically, counter and timer. The counter is number of cycles, and timer is number of seconds. It reverses out after a full cycle when the head goes up. I can maybe show that right. 902, the preset on 902, which is counter, is 10, we're gonna do 10 cycles because it moves up and down really fast because I've only got 300 cubic inches on here, so it moves quickly. So 10 cycles goes fast enough. And then the next one I think is our timer, which is 5 seconds. So after the cycle's all done and this is happy, we've done our 10, it reverses out after 4 or 5 seconds. And that's it. So I'm gonna go back to 902 again, which is address 02, enter, and that's a cumulative, so we can watch the cycles on here as it's going up and down. So we'll leave it right there. Rotary table is here, and all the rest is standard. This is all standard extrude hone. Top cylinder, bottom cylinder, machine on clamp. You come over here, we've got on this side media pressure. I'm not hitting it real hard because my clamping situation, I've just got a half set of tools in here. So we're right around 900 or 1,000. And of course, the air package is here with the air regulator. And again, I'm clamping maybe 1,400 pounds, but it works. It's not spitting out at me. So coming around here, the only other item of interest is of course a junction panel. So we kind of show that, and it's really all it is. This is all my wires, the wire nuts, that's all me temped in, because we don't have conduit going to it yet really, so without placing the machine, that works fine for us. And back here, what do we got? Not much other than you can kind of take a look up here and look at the cylinder condition. Actually, you can see that we don't have a lot of media here. The cylinder's in really nice shape on this one. So the walls, almost no scarring at all. This is a chiller up in here. We got the lines off. It's up in the box. We've got it off to the side here. And coming around the other side here, we got the hydraulic package. And the lines going to the machine. Again, we just kind of tempt in here haphazardly, but I'm not saying this is where it's supposed to go, but it's good enough for our wants and needs right now. The electric panel's down low here. We are running, again, my temp line coming in from the other one that we showed you, the junction panel. We're running at 480 volts. Books, documentation, and an operator's manual underneath that. So it's all good. It's all original stuff too with the machine. So hydraulics will turn on. We'll do our 10 cycles. I'm going to leave my media right around 1,000 or so. Clamp 12 or 1,300. Let's fire it up, and I'll take the bridge all the way up. I forget how high this one goes. And that's about it. We'll do our cycle. Oh, one more time. We can show the front here while you're standing there. And just to kind of give you an overview of what's going on down here. That's all the main bank of solenoid valves. And someone took the time to put all the gauges on the valves, which is kind of nice, I guess, if you're troubleshooting from a maintenance standpoint. But that's all in good shape down there. Close that back up. Fire up the oil, and we'll index back around, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to index first if you want to watch it here, on the back side, either way. Two-hand control on this guy. You run the red now, that's as far as it'll go. And now we'll go back all the way 180, and then we'll get the green light. It automatically stops at the 90-degree position, which is right here. And I let off, and then go back to the full position. Right there. There's our green light. Come down and clamp. I'll take it up first though. We'll unclamp it. I might have to knock some of that media. Oh, there it is right there. So that's it, full height. And then I have to get up front here to do the clamp. I don't know if we'll get in trouble with that. We'll see. There's a little bit of media hanging out. Hopefully we can clamp up tight enough where it won't all come out on us. Let's see how it goes. We'll take a shot at it. You watch the plate come down now off the springs and it'll bottom out. I'm right here. You ready? Yeah, just kind of watch that. That's it. Now we'll come back here and you'll see it clamping up on the gauge here. It stops right around 11 or 12. Again, I didn't clamp up real tight. We don't have that much going on. And if you come over here, you kind of see where the oil pressure is at. It's about 900, 950. And that's where we're going to run at. All I'll do now is flip it over to auto, and there's really not much else to watch except the counter. You go up to 300, and you'll count cycles. Ready? And we're going. It shows which cylinder is moving on the lights, too. Top cylinder's coming down. This is counting cycles again. We're going to go up to 10. I didn't mention it, but this is the temperature controller for the chiller that's off to the side. Getting up there. Maybe I could go up to 903 now when we're going to hit 10. I haven't done it yet just to watch the countdown when this thing unclamps. Yeah, we can watch the 5 seconds or whatever it is with one more to go, I think. And you'll kind of watch it when you hear it unclamp. There it is. That should count down and we should unclamp for, I think, 5 seconds. Top cylinder's pushing down first for the media. There it goes. Yep, there it is, 5 seconds, and we're back. And of course, we go over to manual, and come back up some more if we want. And that was pretty much it. Yep, and whatever we want to do next, we can come back around. I can push some media up through there and kind of show what's going on right from where you're at. There's the open position. I'll just advance the bottom cylinder. You kind of see what's going on here. There's our media. That's what we were just pushing through. Got a little bit in there. I'm not even sure how much, but it was enough to get 300 cubic inch.